All right, so we got the FJ outside. We're gonna go ahead and demo the remote start real quick. We got a 1-button remote that does 3 functions. You press the button 1 time, just press release. The parking lights will flash once. Lock the doors. To unlock the doors, you tap this button twice. So 1, 2, parking lights will flash twice. It'll unlock the driver door, and then about a second or 2 later, it will unlock the rest of the doors. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock it back. So I just heard it click. We're gonna start it, and you push and hold the button, and you'll see the blue light on the right start rapid flash. There you go. Give it a second, turn on the ignition, fuel pump, all that good stuff. She'll fire up. The parking lights will illuminate, and it'll run for 15 minutes. The doors remain locked if you had them locked to begin with. And when you're ready to drive away, you unlock it. So you tap it twice. It'll unlock the doors. I still have it torn apart because I want to make sure it gets tested before we put it back together. Now, if you tap the brake pedal right now, it's gonna die. You have to have the key in so you can drive away. So you put the key in, you turn it 2 clicks. So the first one's accessory and the second one is on. So you got accessory, on, and now if you tap the brake pedal, put it in drive, and we're running. So that's it. Everything else operates the same way. You don't lose any features whatsoever. And let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, guys.